Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Bill from EOTPRO. I'm here to talk to you about the effect of the bar time filter on Bill's Arrows 4.26. In the previous movie, I talked to you about that you can filter these arrows with bar time. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and I'm just going to talk about bar time. Down here at the bottom of the screen, we can see the indicator that tells us what the bar time was on each one of these bars. As you know on range bars, each bar is exactly the same height as the one before. Each bar is 4 ticks tall. So this indicator is measuring how long did it take for 4 ticks to move in the market. In this case here, we were looking at about 5 minutes for these bars to form. If we look down and around here, we were looking at about 1 minute for these bars to form. Why is it important? Why do we care that bars are slow or that bars are fast? We have found that when bars are slow, there's not a lot of continuation. And you can see if we go through the screen here, just looking at today's action, we can see bar time is above 2 minutes here. This line represents 2 minutes. So if we're below 2 minutes, we're firing the arrows. If we're above 2 minutes, we're not firing the arrows. I'm going to show you if I adjust these arrows and I turn bar time to false. I'm going to turn bar time off. I'm not going to use bar time. The bar time filter is off. Now we have full action on all the arrows. Now, generally they're not too bad, but except in this area right here, we really ran into a lot of trouble because it was choppy. I mean, this whole area in here was just choppy. We can filter that out. We would have gone long, we would have suffered through a retrace, we would have gone long, we would have, it never really went very hard. Then we had a short signal, and then it retraced up against you, and then we had a long signal, it didn't really go anywhere. Then we had, a long signal here, and the bars turned red. It was just a big mess. It was a big mess in here. Even the chop detection turned on. With chop detection turned on, yeah, it would have saved you from some of these stop outs, which is great. But you also would have missed this breakout here, which is fine. So the chop detection here doing a good job, but this is a movie about bar time. And what we found was if we filter let's just play with the bar time. Let's turn the bar time down to 2.33 minutes. That's what I have it set to. Use bar time true. All of a sudden, we have a winner, a winner, a winner, a winner, a winner, a winner, and this one was tough, but it did move at least a point in your direction. And the rest of the day, except for this little short signal, which also moved a point in your direction, the rest of the day we had no signals. The rest of the day, actually, in this one up here was a loser. So we had, I'm going to call this one a loser too. We had a loser here and a loser here. Just by filtering the bars with bar time. Now, we're not just using a standard bar time indicator with a length. Normally you take a lot of the platforms have these bar timers built in, but we're actually doing a little bit different. We are cycle adjusting this bar timer. We're varying the length, long and short, with our cycle engine. So we put a little bit of adaptive technology within the bar timer. Now, okay, so that was set to 2.3 minutes. We had a winner, a winner, a winner, a loser. A winner, a winner, a winner, a loser. I'm going to call this one, that one was a winner. Okay? Let's lower the bar time even more. Let's lower it even more. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy and lower it to 1.44 minutes. We have a winner, a winner, a winner, a winner. And that's it. They're all winners today. Every single trade was a winner. So you can see how effective the bar time filtering can be. You can filter the market with bar time. We don't care that all afternoon the ES had no signals. We don't care. You know why we don't care? Because there are so many other markets to trade. There's the British pound, there's the Swiss franc, there's the Australian dollar, there's the yen, there's oil, there's gold. There's so many other different markets to choose from. Why do we need to expose ourselves to market conditions that are not favorable? I want to make myself clear when I say that if the bar time is taking 4 minutes to move 4 ticks, if it's taking 4 minutes or 3 minutes to move 4 ticks, that's a tick a minute. There's not a lot of volume inside this market. I also want to make myself clear to say that there are some moves that happen when the bar time is very slow. Here's an example of one right here. You're going to miss those. You're going to miss them. There are very slow moves that happen. And with any kind of filtering, you're going to filter out some of the trades that you could have taken. But you know what? That's okay. That's okay because every single trade was a winner, number one. Number two, we didn't have to sit through this massive chop fast here. And everything looks good. It just kind of makes sense to me to filter the arrows with bar time. Now, overnight trading, and you may have to turn bar time off. But for trading in the normal session, I really feel that bar time can be a definite advantage, and we can monitor many markets at the same time with Bill's Arrows 4.26. Thank you very much for listening to this movie on bar time. Signing off, Bill. Bye.